Good morning, everyone. Sorry, wait a minute. Yes, sorry, students. I was not feeling well. That is the reason. Okay, so let's start the class. Children, as you all know, that we have already started our chapter number 5, the way the world looks. In this, we have already learned about the different views of the object, the top view. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the different views? Can you please explain me?
Top view.
Top view, bottom view, side view, front view,
Ma'am, top view, bottom view, side view,
Front view.
front view,
front view and side view.
top view.
Top view, bottom view,
Okay,
side view, and front view.
very good. I want to show you one video.
Ma'am, I don't have that abdo view like that name.
Which view? I am showing to show you one video. I said. Let me start.
Then,
This is visible to you all.
then,
Yes, my dear. Who's
then.
saying ma? Are please mute yourself, bacha. Okay. Now I'm going to start this video. Please listen it carefully. This first. They will do the revision of this, and then we go to the next topic. What we are going to learn today.
Look carefully. Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Vandana.
Hello, Vandana. Hello, Neha. Look, Neha, what my papa got for me. What has he got? This looks like a pink-colored box. Look carefully, Neha. This is not a pink-colored box, but a yellow-colored clock. How can this be a clock? It has no hands at all. This is a pink-colored box only. No, Neha, look carefully.
Wait, Neha and Vandana. I understand why you are getting confused. I will help you. Vandana, you go to Neha's position, and Neha, you come to Vandana's position.
Okay. Wow, this clock is very beautiful.
Oh, good. You can see the clock now. Vandana, now you tell me, how does the clock appear to you?
I cannot see the clock. Instead of a clock, I can see a pink-colored box. Look carefully.
Wait, Neha.
Students, why it is happening that Vandana can only able to see when she was standing up, she can only able to see the pink color.
Because they are
Because their sides are
Shivani,
different.
Shivani, if one child is speaking, you need to wait for your turn. Arav Pani, you have joined 3 minutes late. Jignesh, you have joined 2 minutes late.
Yes, Mama, net was on, but the video was on. That's why I didn't say that.
Okay. Yes, Hare.
because
This is very small.
Neha is standing in top view and that another girl is standing in side view,
Side view, not front view.
front
When
view.
you see the clock, you properly see the numbers and the hands from the front. Yes, Arush, why? Why the girl who was standing up can only able to see the pink color box?
And because he is standing up, then we
And she is seeing which view?
top.
Top view. Very good, Vedi. Moin Kuledi. Moin Kuledi, the girl who was standing up can see only which view? The girl who was standing up can see only which view?
When my internet is gone, I
You are sitting and enjoying. I know there is no internet issue.
then I
Mox,
can.
please mute your mic.
Ma'am,
Yes, first Mox, then Dwani. Yes, Mox.
top view.
Top view. Yes, Dwani. Dwani, if the girl she is sitting She is standing and she can see the complete view of the clock. So which side she is standing?
Ma'am, she is standing on front view.
Yes. Now I
Ma'am,
will
I
move
want
to the
to
next.
ask you something.
Yes, please.
In the yesterday's worksheet, you sent it. You have wrote that we will do that worksheet tomorrow. Today.
Yeah. Okay. You can do it today. Next.
Wow, this clock is very beautiful.
Oh, good. You can see the clock now. Vandana, now you tell me, how does the clock appear to you?
I cannot see the clock. Instead of a clock, I can see a pink colored box. This means the clock appears to you the same way it appeared to me, like a pink colored box. Yes, and you can see the clock, like I was able to see from here. How is this happening? Papa, please explain.
Okay, Vandana, you also come here. Then I'll explain. We live in a 3D world. All the objects around us are 3D.
What is the meaning of 3D?
The meaning of 3D is three-dimensional.
I'm still not clear, Uncle.
This means that every object has three dimensions. Those are width, height, and depth.
Yes, we had learned this while learning about bricks. To measure bricks, we use 3 dimensions.
Yes, and because of these three dimensions, an object appears to be having different shapes when viewed from different sides. For example, when you look from the top, the clock looked like a rectangle. But when you saw from the front, you could see a clock.
Now I have understood a little.
Let me explain this to you with another example. See, I have a toy that is in the shape of a staircase. I will place this staircase on the table here. Now we will make a picture of it.
That will be fun. Let's start.
We will, but wait for a while. We will make this picture from different angles. I will make it from here. I can see this side. Vandana, you make it from here because you can see it from the front. And Neha, you make it from upstairs because you will then be able to see it from the top.
Okay.
I have completed the drawing from my side.
Even mine is complete. Even I have completed it.
See, the three of us have made a picture of the same staircase, seeing it from different sides. That's why each of our drawings look different.
Now I have understood what is 3 dimension. And that when you look at them from different sides, their shapes appear different.
Yes, but do you know that to draw the shape of 3D or three-dimensional objects accurately, the drawing is made from three different sides, like the way we drew this staircase.
But what is this 3-sided drawing called?
One is called the top view, which tells us how an object will look if seen from the top.
This means my drawing is a top view of the staircase, which is a brown colored rectangle, right?
Yes, Neha. In addition to the top view, there's another view, which is called the side view. In that, the object is drawn by looking at it from the right side.
So does this mean that the drawing you have made is a side view of the staircase, as you made the staircase seeing it from the right side of it?
Yes, you are right, Vandana.
I drew the staircase from the front. Uncle, which view would it be called?
Vandana, this will be called the front view.
That means when an object is seen from the front, then its front view will be visible.
Yes, and that's why Vandana's drawing appears to be different from our drawings.
Yes, this is a colorful rectangle.
So, did you understand? This is the front view of the staircase, This is the side view and this is the top view. What did you understand?
So students, what do you understand if I ask this question from you all? Wait a minute, Bunny. I'm asking the question. That's why. Okay. Tell me, students, what do you understood about this video till here?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, there is no back view.
if
No,
we,
but yeah.
if we see from different view,
Array.
we can see that object only
Ma'am,
different
at
ways.
Array, let's speak Shivani first. Shivani is right that if we see the objects from different view, it appears different. Yes, Shivani? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me continue.
Now I have fully understood that all objects are three-dimensional. The three dimensions are width, height, and depth. Because of this, objects appear to be of different shapes when viewed from different sides. To understand the exact shape of an object, one must look at it from three sides, from the top, front, and from the right side. While looking at an object from the top, then the top view of the object appears. The front view of the object is visible when viewed from the front, and the side view of an object appears when viewed from the right side.
Very well said, children. Now you both play and I'll do my work.
Okay, Papa.
So now students, you have learned about the different views. The object will be visible differently from the different views. Till here it's clear. Now we are going to learn about the directions. Now I want everyone to stand at their place because I am going to play one video. One song I'm going to play. You all have to dance along with it and you will really enjoy it. Okay. It's a boogie woogie song. Put your right hand up and the left hand. So here you will learn about the directions. Your left hand, right hand. Everyone, I request you to stand at your place, and I'm going to mute myself.
You put your right hand in, you put your right hand down, you put your right hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
Please follow the instruction. Right hand,
Put your
left hand.
in, you put your left hand down, you put your left hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
Thank you.
You put your right hand in, you put your right hand down, you put your right hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand down, you put your left hand in, and shake it all about. put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
At your place, students, now everyone.
Yes, ma'am, we enjoy.
I hope everyone enjoyed. So with this video, what have you learned, students? What they are giving you the instructions about?
Ma'am, top view.
And the top view was side
No,
view.
no, 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 no.
Right, left, and
You all have danced very well.
direction.
Yes, it giving you the directions. Left hand, right hand. Yes or no? Left and right directions. This video was teaching you.
Top direction also.
Okay, up and down also. Put your right hand up, put your right hand down. So up and down also, but it is giving you the right left directions also. The up and down is also the direction, right left is also the direction. Yes or no? Mohammed. So this is giving you the directions, how to follow the directions, and these directions are you will help, it will helpful you to study about the map. Now you will say, ma'am, what is map? Who will give me the answer? What is map? Map is only a India map and the world map.
No, ma'am, there are so many maps.
Yes,
ma'am.
Dhwani, can you give any one name of the map?
Desert map, Asia's map.
Okay, and other maps?
Ma'am, Europe.
Rajasthan map.
Okay, okay. When you go in school, your school also have, yeah.
School ma'am.
School map.
Yes, every place is having its own map. The hospitals, when you go to the hospitals, there is also a map. When you go to the malls, there is also a map that go down on the first floor. You will find this. Let me explain, Dhwani.
Now there are no maps.
There are
no maps.
no maps everywhere. There are maps. Otherwise, you will not follow the how you will follow. आप गुम हो जाओगे मॉल में जाओगे तो इतना बड़े बड़े malls होते हैं, right?
Ma'am, but now while we search also it comes.
Yeah, and when you want to go in the new
Ma'am,
place,
restaurant.
restaurants.
When we make a new house, we also make one map of our
Yes,
house.
yes. कि कौन सा floor पे क्या क्या बनेगा, which how many rooms you want at the which floor. Yes, और उधर भी
I
आप
decided my
and there also you give the right directions. No, कि left side में kitchen होना चाहिए, right side में ये washroom होना चाहिए, hall होना चाहिए. There also you give the instructions.
Ma'am, I have one map.
Yes, can you show us? So there are, when you go to some another place which is new for you, then also you search the address on the Google map. Then only you will able to reach that place, and the Google map will direct you to go left turn. How the Google map speak? Can anyone tell me?
1 kilometer.
I really like the way the Google map speaks.
Left turn.
Take your left turn now. Now you reach to the place. It speak like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So directions, for the directions we are learning about the different turns, up, down, right, left. Now I am going to show you again the video. Sorry.
Then may I drink water?
Yes, please. Now we are going to learn about the map.
And what
Can be determined from just 3 views.
Now this is the next topic coming.
Introduction to Maps, Part 1. Today we will learn what is a map and what is its use, and what is the use of map with written instructions. So children, let us end today's class here.
Wish you a very happy birthday to you, madam.
Thank you very much for your wishes. You all are invited for the birthday party at 6 o'clock at my home.
Madam, we will definitely come, but we don't know the route to your home.
Oh, yes, I forgot to tell you that. Okay, children, you all please open your notebooks and I will give you the directions to reach my home.
Okay, madam.
Go straight from as you exit from our school gate. Then take a second right. After that, turn left and go straight. You will see a hospital. Take right from the hospital and go straight until you see a sweet shop. My home is right in
Children, you know why we are doing this map? It is given on your page number 58. Smiles house. How we will the Sarijita house, from Sarijita house, how he will reach to the Smiles house. So there is the direction. So here we will use about the direction. So before doing the textbook page number, I am giving you the introduction about the different directions. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Please go.
front of it. Now I am leaving. Be there at 6 o'clock. Okay, children?
Let's go to madam's home. It will be a lot of fun at the party.
Let's go. I'm also very excited.
Look, Neha, there is a circle on this road and there is a turn towards the right side. We have to go this way. Hurry up before we get late. Oh,
Neha, there is no road ahead. What to do now?
oh no, I think we have taken the wrong way. We have made a mistake, Vandana. We should follow the directions given by madam. Look, madam told us to take the second right turn. But we have taken the first right turn. Come, let's go back. Do you remember? We have seen this circle. We took a right from here. That was our mistake. Now, this left road will take us back to the school. Therefore, we should take a right from here. Look, there is another road going towards right. This is the second right turn. We should take this way. Yes, now we are on the correct route. Let's take a right turn from here. Oh, Vandana, where are you going? We should check with the directions given by madam. Look, there is a garden over there and a road to the right and left. Oh, yes. Then which road should we take? Madam has not mentioned anything about a garden. I am not able to figure out this. Okay, let us do one thing. Let's make a drawing according to the directions given by madam. This is our school. This road is in front of our school. This is the circle where we took a wrong turn towards the right. The second right turn was the correct one. After that, we took this road. Now we are at this point. Madam said that after taking the second right, we need to take a left turn. Then we will see a hospital. And from there, we have to take a right turn. Going straight along the road, we will see a sweet shop. Madam's home is in front of that shop. Yes, now I got it. Let's go. Look, there is a hospital. According to this drawing, we should take a right turn. See, the sweet shop is there. Madam's house must be in front of the shop. Look, Madam is standing there.
Come on, Neha and Vandana. I was waiting for you both. Did you face any difficulty to reach here?
We faced some difficulty in the beginning because we took a wrong turn. But then Neha made a drawing according to your directions. With the help of this, we reached your home easily.
Neha, show me what you have made. Oh, great, Neha. You have made a map that leads to my home.
Madam, what is a map?
Don't worry, Neha. I will explain. If a place is represented with the help of lines, then it is called a map. A map helps us to go from one place to another very easily.
Just like the way Neha's map helped us reach your home, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. But a map also helps to know what is situated where. Like by looking at the map, you can easily tell the location of the park.
Then map is very useful for us. Where is the map used, madam?
A map is used for so many purposes. For example, in a big park, a museum, a shopping mall, etc. Every city has a map which helps the tourists to go from one place to another. Maps are not only for cities, but also for every state, country, and even the world in which oceans, mountains, and rivers are marked. If we talk about maps, it will take hours. But right now, let us enjoy the party. And we will talk about it some other day.
Okay, madam.
Today we have learned about instructions related to directions are very important. If we don't follow the right directions, then it will be difficult for us to reach from one place to another. Directions related to a place could either be written or drawn on maps. Map is a drawing made with the help of lines, which makes it easy to reach different places.
Now you tell me, how does the clock appear to you?
I cannot see the clock.
So now your student understood about the map, and if you don't follow the proper directions, will you able to reach that place? अगर right और left directions नहीं पता, up and down नहीं पता, और turns नहीं पता, will you able to reach that place?
No, ma'am.
No. So always remember how to follow the directions and for reaching to the proper place. Got it, students? So everyone, which is, can you all put your right hand up? Right hand up. Everyone put your right hand up. Good. Now put it down. Put your left hand up. Very good. So this way, right, left, turn right side, from the go straight, from the circle, go again left. So this way you need to follow the directions of the map. We will do more exercises on the directions. Now please open your textbook, everyone. Open your textbook, page number 52. Open your textbook, page number 52. Is my screen visible to you all? Is the textbook pages visible to you all, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This chapter is the world, the way the world look. Now this is the Gappu's journey. Now how Gappu is looking the things from the different views. Gappu was a brave little mouse. One day he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. Have you completed this page, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, we have. Yes, ma'am.
We have completed this page number.
Yeah.
We have completed till which page?
No, ma'am, we have not completed this.
Ma'am, 52 we have completed.
Okay.
No, ma'am, we have not completed this.
Can anyone answer me what Gappu is doing?
Ma'am, he was into the fan.
He was climbing.
He was climbing to the fan and he was searching the cheese.
With the string of the balloon, and then he could see the blades from the above, and he is thinking how it is from the down it is looking so clean, but from the up it is so dirty. Yes. And then he is looking the things from the up, which is given on your page number. Bottom view of the fan. From the bottom, fan looks like this. Draw how the fan looked from the below. So please draw it after the class. Gappu looked down. He could see the bed, the chair, the one table with books on it, another table with bottle, a jug, fruits, everything was kept on it. But look for these things in the photo. What stupid Chinky is looking for cheese? Can't even see it kept on the top of the jug. Now Gappu is saying she is looking and searching for the cheese, but stupid, she can't see where the cheese has been kept. Where the cheese has been kept? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Table. Ma'am, on the table.
Mohammed is saying something. Yes, Mohammed.
On the mouse trap also.
On the
On the mouse trap and the table.
it is kept on the table, but above the jug. On the jug it is kept. So from the up, the Gappu can able to see the cheese because it is kept on the jug and it is up. It is kept on the jug and Gappu can see from the top. But the Chinky is very tiny. She cannot see the things which are kept above the jug. Got it? Gappu was seeing the things from the above top, so he could easily see the cheese capped on the top of the jug. Whereas Chinky was running on the floor, so she could not see the cheese, as I already mentioned you. Now come to the next. Just when a strong wind... Wait a minute. Yes. Just when a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room, the balloon flew up and Gappu started going up in the sky. As he looked down, he could see the house. But if you go up and up in the sky, what happened? How the things look if you see from the up?
Ma'am, like a toy.
Tiny. Tiny.
Tiny.
Yes. As he went higher, he could see things around his house, the park, the Gurdwara, the railway lines, a sweet shop, a Suhasini's house with the big water tank on its roof. Next, go to the next. It is the description given how the things are looking from the top. Who is that on the railway track? Is it that fat cat Monty? Aha, from here it looks like a big white mouse. Now, from the top, how the cat is looking. This must be the Gurdwara where the Amarjit goes every day. Then he is just visualizing the things because he is correctly don't know what are the things because he's looking from the top. So just he's imagining कि हो सकता है ये गुरुद्वारा हो सकता है ये टोंग मोंटी हो. So he's just imagining. Yes, students? Till here it's clear? Very good, Krishav. Your camera is on today. Excellent. Your mic is also working, bacha? Okay. Thank you. This must be the good. Then I did not know there is a sweet shop here. Yummy. Then they are looking. Wait a minute. For the sweet shop also. Now go to the next page. Imagine how your classroom looks from the above. Try to draw it and mark the benches, blackboard, doors, windows, how they look from the down. If you draw the map of your classroom, how it looks from the top view, it will look like this. Try to solve this, try to draw this, because it is depend on the everyone's drawing how he can see from the top. Got it, students? Yes or no? Yes. Can I move to the next page, students? Yes or no? Please answer me, bacha. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, after this drawing, then he can see the things, how it is looking from the top, how the railway track is looking, how the train is looking from the top, how the railway track is looking. He can see. Suddenly there was a loud sound. The balloon burst and started falling down, and everything started looking bigger and bigger. Dhap. Gappu fell on the railway track. He ran to save himself from the cruel Monty, who ran after Gappu and the other rats on the railway track. Now, have you observed the rats on the railway track, students? When you went to the to the railway station, have you ever observed the? No, you have not observed the rat.
I have never went to railway.
You have not visited to railway station, students.
Ma'am, I visited.
No, ma'am.
No. So how you going? Always going through plane?
Ma'am, in plane and bus.
Yes,
So I request you to take the experience of train also.
Ma'am, I have taken.
ma'am, I have taken
Very good.
experience of train, aeroplane, car, bus, and ship.
Very good. So when you go to the railway station, no, always you will able to see some rats will be running there and there, because they don't do much cleaning there on the floor on the railway track. When Gappu saw the railway track from above, it looked like this. It is looking like this from the above. Okay, so we will continue this tomorrow. Yes, students, thank you for today's class. I will see
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. And you will send